Thank you, sir, for this, at least.
May I be permitted to comment this program, Lordship?
Yes, please.
A very good morning to all. Today we have assembled here to inaugurate the newly set up child-friendly POCSO special court at Berhampore Sadar, Murshidabad district. It is our great pleasure that to grace this occasion we have with us the Honorable the Chief Justice Sri Prakash Shrivastava, Patron-in-Chief Juvenile Justice Committee, High Court at Calcutta. Honorable Justice Sri Harish Tandon, Judge, High Court at Calcutta, Chairman, Juvenile Justice Committee. Honorable Justice Sri Soumen Sen, Judge, High Court at Calcutta, Member, Juvenile Justice Committee. Honorable Justice Sri Shrivastava Bhattacharya, Judge, High Court at Calcutta, Judge in Charge, Murshidabad District. Honorable Justice Mousumi Bhattacharya, Judge, High Court at Calcutta, Member, Juvenile Justice Committee. Now, I hand over the baton to the learned District Judge, Murshidabad, to conduct the program.
Good morning, my lords. Good morning to His Lordship Honorable Chief Justice Prakash Shrivastava, His Lordship Honorable Justice Harish Tandon, my Lord Chairperson of the Juvenile Justice Committee, Honorable Justice Soumen Sen, Honorable Member of the Honorable Juvenile Justice Committee, Honorable Justice Shrivastava Bhattacharya, Judge in Charge for the District of Murshidabad, and Honorable Justice Mousumi Bhattacharya, Member of the Honorable Juvenile Justice Committee, and all my lords present on virtual mode. Good morning to all the lordships present on the virtual mode, my lord. My lord, the children are a supremely important national asset, and the future and well-being of the nation depends on how its children grow and develop. However, my lord, the child sexual abuse is a global phenomenon. The POCSO Act 2012 was enacted by the Parliament to strengthen the legal provisions for protection of children from sexual exploitation. It covers, my lord, different types of sexual abuses and imposes several duties on various authorities for protection of children and redressal of the victims. It also provides for establishment of special courts in order to ensure speedy trials of such cases, Lordship. My lord, on this momentous occasion, we are going to celebrate the inaugural ceremony of the newly created child-friendly POCSO court here at Murshidabad. This is, my lord, a very historic occasion for the welfare of a child victim in the justice delivery system. Inauguration of this child-friendly court, my lord, is a memorable and a very significant development in our district. We feel honored, Lordship, and gratified that your Lordship, the Honorable Chief Justice at Calcutta, has been pleased to give consent, Lordship, to grace this occasion by accepting our invitation to inaugurate the child-friendly POCSO court at Berhampore Sadar Court. I, on behalf of the Judgeship of Murshidabad, and also on behalf of the Bar Association of Berhampore Sadar Court and all subdivisional bar associations, my lord, namely Jongipur, Kandi and Lalbagh, and also for the administration of the Murshidabad district, the police administration of Murshidabad district, as well as my lord Jongipur police district, all the people from the Murshidabad district, Berhampore, humbly and respectfully welcome our lordships, the Honorable the Chief Justice, High Court at Calcutta, to this very auspicious occasion. I also humbly and respectfully welcome your Lordship, Honorable Justice Harish Tandon, Honorable Chairperson, Juvenile Justice Committee. I also welcome my Lord Honorable Justice Soumen Sen, Honorable Member of the Juvenile Justice Committee. My Lord, I welcome our Judge in Charge, Honorable Justice Shrivastava Bhattacharya. And my Lord, I welcome my Lord Honorable Justice Mousumi Bhattacharya, Member of the Honorable Juvenile Justice Committee, to this very auspicious occasion. My Lord, now my word of welcome goes next to all the brother and sister judicial officers who are present here with me today. I want to extend warm welcome to the President, Secretary of the Berhampore Bar Association and all other subdivisional bar associations, my Lord, who are all present here today. I extend my cordial welcome to the District Magistrate of Murshidabad, SP of Murshidabad Police District, who are present here today, my lord. All the additional district magistrates, the additional SPs, the CMOH Murshidabad, Principal of Murshidabad Medical College Hospital, MSVP Murshidabad Medical College and Hospital, Chairperson of the CWC, Chairman of the Berhampore Municipality, Superintendent of the Berhampore Central Correctional Home, DIG of the Berhampore Central Correctional Home. My lord, all are present here and is welcoming all of you lordships here today. I also extend my cordial welcome to the Executive Engineers, Civil and Electrical and IT, PWD Department, the entire judgeship of this Murshidabad district, my lord, the law clerks and all my distinguished guests who are all present here today. Now, my lord, I am seeking permission from your lordship and all other guests to light the ceremonial lamp on behalf of your lordship and other guests, my lord, praying for my lord's permission, my lord.
Yes, please.
Yes. Now, my lord, I am seeking kind permission of your lordship, the Honorable Chief Justice, to unveil the plaque and card the ribbon on behalf of your lordship with all my judicial officers.
Yes, please.
ক্যামেরাটা সরে যাচ্ছে সরে যাও ক্যামেরাটা Now I request the technical team of the Hon'ble High Court at Calcutta to present the virtual roaming of the newly set up POCSO court with child-friendly infrastructure.
Welcome, my lords, to the virtual roaming of the newly set up child-friendly POCSO court at Berhampore Sadar under the judgeship of Murshidabad. My lord, this is the aerial view of the Berhampore Sadar court compound. The child-friendly court is situated on the right-hand side of the main entrance of the Sadar court. The court building is specially designed with child-friendly infrastructure. This is the entrance corridor of the POCSO court building through which the child victims or child witnesses will enter the child-friendly POCSO court and the children's room. This entrance has pictures painted on the walls of the corridor. It has cartoons and other pictures painted there to make the children happy, joyful and to create a congenial atmosphere for the children. Now we are entering into the Ejlas of the child-friendly court. This child-friendly court is fully air-conditioned and it is also very spacious. It has computers along with printers installed therein, and it has video conferencing facilities for doing virtual hearings. Now we proceed to the child-friendly room. The room maintains a child-friendly atmosphere. In this room, the victim child can depose through the virtual mode. Children will be provided with the soft toys, storybooks and chocolates prior to their evidence in a homely atmosphere. The chamber of the presiding officer is also adjacent to the victim room. So, this room is situated in such a manner that the victim child feels safe and is playing in a very congenial and secure environment. My lords, I take all of you lordships to the room of the accused persons, which has a totally separate entrance. This room has an opening towards the Ejlas, and from this room the accused persons will be able to watch the entire court proceedings, though they will not be visible to the victim child. My lords, we also have a separate entrance for these specially abled persons. Our children are supremely important asset. Their nurture and solicitude are our responsibility. So all facilities have been made child friendly and a congenial atmosphere is created there for the child to stay for a while in the child friendly room and depose before the court without any fear and anxiety. Thank you.
Now, my lord, I make humble prayer to His Lordship, the Honorable the Chief Justice, to deliver His Lordship's inaugural address.
Honorable Justice Harish Tandon, Chairman of the Juvenile Justice Committee, Justice Somen Sen, Member of the Juvenile Justice Committee, Justice Sabyasachi Bhattacharya, Judge in Charge, District Murshidabad, Justice Mausami Bhattacharya, Member of the Juvenile Justice Committee, all the judicial officers, members of the bar, and all other distinguished persons who have joined this function. A very good morning to all of you. It's a happy occasion when we are inaugurating a child-friendly court in Murshidabad. And since long it was felt that to the child witnesses, child victims, juveniles in conflict of law, they should be provided a congenial atmosphere where they can depose freely. Because many a time when they come to the court, they are traumatized. They are under psychological pressure. They don't feel themselves to be in the normal surroundings. Therefore, they are unable to depose freely. In the POCSO Act also provides for a detailed procedure as to how the statement of the child witness should be taken. Section 36 of the POCSO Act, it provides that while deposing, the child witness should not be exposed to the accused, but at the same time, the accused should be able to hear the child witness interact with the advocate. To implement it, special courts are needed, the child-friendly courts. Supreme Court also in the case of Sampurna Barua had taken into account the need to have such child-friendly courts and had emphasized, in fact, urged all the high courts to have at least one child-friendly court in each district. Now, these courts are needed to record the deposition of the child witnesses in the cases under the POCSO Act, Child Marriage Act, and various sexual offenses which are committed or which are tried under the IPC. These courts can also be used for adult women who are victim of sexual offenses and who feel hesitant to depose freely in the open court, in the court atmosphere, which are not so friendly. So it's another step in the state of West Bengal to implement the view which was expressed by the Supreme Court in the matter, and also to take steps to give effect to the provisions of the POCSO Act in respect of recording of the statement of child witnesses. I congratulate all of those who have rendered assistance in setting up this child-friendly court, and I wish that the court will be used in the most appropriate manner so that the object for which it is set up is achieved. My best wishes. Thank you.
Thank you, Lordship. We are deeply obliged by your Lordship's inspiring speech, which will definitely enrich us. And we pledge, my Lord, that we shall follow your Lordship's advice and guidance in our endeavor to deliver justice to the child victims and child witnesses in the days ahead. Now, my Lord, I shall humbly pray before His Lordship, Honorable Justice Harish Tandon, to deliver His Lordship's speech.
Good morning to all of you, the Honorable the Chief Justice, the Honorable Justice Sen, the Honorable Justice Shrivastava Bhattacharya, the Honorable Justice Mushmi Bhattacharya, all the members of the District Judiciary, all the participants who are both on a physical mode as well as on a virtual mode. And this is really a great and momentous occasion that we are having a dedicated POCSO court at Berhampore Sadar with the child-friendly infrastructures. This was thought of long back, and the concept of child-friendly infrastructures was envisioned by Justice Lokur as the Honorable the Chief Justice just pointed out, in a very remarkable judgment delivered by him in the matter of Sampurna Behura. So we have been providing all the infrastructures which are congenial and conducive to the victim children's who never aspired nor even dreamed in their life to experience such a daunting experience. It really imprints the mind and impedes the further progress and the development when they reach the age of adolescence, or they become a full man or a woman, being a very important persons of the country. So this is a step forward to give some kind of a solace, some kind of a the justice which can be given by providing by putting all the justice delivery system in their favor, and just to make them a man or a woman with a vision and a mission in their life. I hope that this kind of an infrastructures will really add to the justice delivery systems. And in a recent judgment, Justice Deepak Gupta, who was then heading the Juvenile Justice Committee at the Supreme Court, also highlighted the importance of a dedicated court, POCSO court, for these children's. And this is, I feel, will be the first step we are really taking. And we hope that we will place this particular infrastructure to its full utility, and the smile on the face of the child shall be brought back. Thank you. I congratulate all the district judiciaries and all the stakeholders who are into this particular system to have this particular infrastructure at Berhampore Sadar. Thank you. Thank you all.
My Lord, we are really privileged and honored, my Lord, by your Lordship's enlightened words today. We will follow each and every direction given by your Lordship today. Now, my Lord, I shall make humble prayer to His Lordship, Honorable Justice Shrivastava Bhattacharya, Honorable Judge in charge of the Murshidabad district, to deliver His Lordship's speech.
The Honorable Chief Justice, the Honorable Chairman of the Juvenile Justice Committee, the Honorable members of the Juvenile Justice Committee, and Justice Bhattacharya, and all present here, including the registry and the district judges. Now, district judiciary, in fact, all of us know how daunting it is for a common man to go before a court and go through the trauma of a trial. It's all the more intimidating for a child to undergo that. For this, the juvenile, this system of juvenile justice, POCSO, and all these child-friendly courts, these concepts have been evolved and implemented throughout the country. So it's my honor and pleasure to be present here, to be a witness to this inauguration of the Berhampore Sadar child-friendly court. And we all know that the child-friendly courts serve two purposes primarily. One is that they provide a congenial, as said by all my previous speakers, congenial and conducive, as well as a suitable atmosphere for the children, be they in whatever capacity, witness, victim, or whatever capacity. And also, their privacy and their security is protected in the sense that separate entrance and exits are there, and there are systems by which the victims are not traumatized by having to face the accused persons. So we hope the Berhampore Sadar child-friendly court gets all success and is efficient in its work. And congratulations to all of you for making this a success, including the Juvenile Justice Committee and the District Judge of Berhampore. Thank you.
We are grateful to your Lordship for my Lord's very encouraging speech to all of us. Now, my Lord, I pray before the Honorable the Chief Justice.
Just a minute. Our sister, Justice Mausami Bhattacharya, she wants to express her views on.
My Lord. I welcome my Lord Justice Mausami Bhattacharya.
Honorable Chief Justice and Justice Standing Chairperson of the committee, Justice Sen and Justice Bhattacharya, and the District Judge of Berhampore Sadar,
My Lord.
the district judiciary present here and over there. Just thought, it's a very important year to celebrate anything to do with POCSO and child-friendly courts, because we are celebrating 10 years from the enactment of the Act. That was POCSO 2012. And this is a very momentous occasion. And apart from Sampurna Behuria, and I think Justice Tandon referred to Nipun Saxena, if I'm not mistaken, we actually go back to Sheila Barse, where the Supreme Court and the High Courts devised of a structure, an infrastructure to render justice. And I think the POCSO Act is really an intervention in that sense, that it is probably one of the very few, if not the only legislation in the country where the court architecture forms part of the legislation. So thank you very much, and all the best to all of you. Very important work done, and I hope this really reaches success. Thank you very much.
Thank you, my Lord. Thank you, Lordship. My Lord, we are really inspired by these speeches of all of your Lordships. Now, my Lord, I pray before the Honorable the Chief Justice for permission to deliver the vote of thanks.
Yes, please.
My Lord, it is indeed a very proud moment for all of us to be a part of this inaugural ceremony of this newly set up child-friendly POCSO court building at Berhampore Sadar, being inaugurated by the Honorable the Chief Justice in the august presence of Honorable Justice Harish Tandon, Honorable Justice Shoumen Sen, Honorable Justice Shrivastava Bhattacharya, and Honorable Justice Mausami Bhattacharya, and all other my lords who are present through the virtual platform. I express my sincere gratitude to the Honorable Chief Justice for inaugurating the newly set up POCSO court through this virtual platform. I express my gratitude to the Honorable Justice Harish Tandon, Honorable Justice Shomin Sen, Honorable Justice Shobhasati Bhattacharya, and Honorable Justice Monsumi Bhattacharya for their constant guidance to us to improve the conditions of the child-friendly infrastructure of the POCSO code set up in our district and for overall improvement of the justice delivery system in our judgeship. The ideas expressed by the Honorable Chief Justice and the Honorable Chairperson of the Juvenile Justice Committee and Honorable Justice Shubhashati Bhattacharya and Honorable Justice Monsumi Bhattacharya will be followed by us in every day of our judicial work. Today, my Lord, I remain grateful to my brother and sister judicial officers of the Sadar as well as subdivisions of this judgeship who are all present either physically or through virtual mode in the subdivisions and making this program a grand success. All the judicial officers and the staff members of our court spared no pain in completing the successful inauguration of the newly set up child-friendly POCSO code, and all their efforts in the right direction are well appreciated. I thank the learned advocates and the office bearers of Berhampore Sadar Bar Association as well as the Law Clerks Association for their constant support towards the inauguration of this newly set up child-friendly code. It would not be out of place to mention here that without the immense and constant help and support of the administration of the Murshidabad district, administration of the police district, as well as the engineers of the PWD, the completion of the newly set up child-friendly court building would not have been possible within such short time. The members of the registry of High Court at Calcutta and the technical staff and officials of High Court at Calcutta have done stupendous job to make this occasion very successful. And I also heartily thank all of them. Last but not the least, I shall remain extremely grateful and obliged and personally indebted to our Honorable Zonal Justice, Honorable Justice Shobhasati Bhattacharya for his Lordship's constant guidance and advice, which enriches us from time to time, but also helped us to complete this inaugural ceremony in a very nice way. Thank you, Lordships. Now I am seeking permission of your Lordship to conclude the ceremony with the national anthem.
जनगण मन अधिनायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता पंजाब सिंध गुजरात मराठा द्राविड उत्कल बंगा विंध्य हिमाचल यमुना गंगा उच्चल जलधि तरंगा तव शुभ नामे जागे तव शुभ आशीष मांगे गाहे तव जय गाथा जन गण मंगलदायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता जय हे जय हे जय हे जय 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 हे
Yes.